trying to pretend like Spider-Man. This is my favorite. Because he's my favorite, character of all time. Roger Clark can play today. The rain is really strong. I live in the Philippines, so of course, rain's really strong. I'm too young today from China.